video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this beautiful wig. And the hair I'm using today is from beautyytb hair. I've never had a lace frontal with hair like this. This is like really good quality hair on this wig. It's beautiful. It looks so natural, you guys. Like, I am in love with this hair. Like, it is really pretty. It was super easy to install. And this is their Malaysian Jerry curl wig. So I just want you guys to get a good look at these curls. These curls on this wig are absolutely beautiful. Like, you guys, look how juicy and nice that is. I absolutely love the curls on this wig, and it's so luscious and soft, and I just can't wait to put it on. So as you guys can see, this wig is super full. It's 150% density, and it does come pre-plucked with baby hair. All I did to this wig was go in and bleach the knots, and I also plucked it just a little bit more. So this is what the wig looks like on the inside. It's one of those wigs that's made with a lace frontal in the front and actual tracks in the back. Now, I did come with combs, but I did remove those as always. So these are my straight back minks, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and throw on my wig. Okay guys, so with this baby, I think I'm gonna install this to be glueless. I don't know how I want to wear this. Should I wear it in the middle part? The side part. So once you get pretty good placement, you want to go in with your eyebrow razor and you want to begin to cut your lace. Okay guys, so this is how it looks right now. So what I'm gonna do is take a little bit of my Got To Be, okay, and I'm gonna spray a little bit on my finger and just kind of just tap it on the edge of the wig. You guys, I'm really feeling this length on myself. The hair is just fluffy, soft, beautiful. The lace laid perfectly. The lace, I didn't have to tint it or anything. All I did was add a little bit of powder to get a nice blend. This hair is extremely pretty. It definitely gives you that natural look. I love the curl pattern. It's just so big and luscious and lightweight. So here's what it looks like from the back. I love this hair. It's so cute. If you guys are interested in this hair from beautyytb hair, make sure you check the description bar below. I'm living for this hair. It's so soft and it's extremely affordable. Like, yes, I feel so cute in this hair. It's so pretty. It's so me. You guys know I love the big curly look, especially flipped over, and I'm loving this length. It hits me about here. I probably should have wore a different color in the video so you guys could see the length more. I'll learn one day. But the hair hits me right here, and I believe this wig is 20 inches. And because it is 150% density, you guys, it is so full. It looks like a soulmate, and the hair just, it moves like. And when I co-washed, it was so easy to co-wash. I've never worked with Beauty Forever hair. This is my first time, I think. So I'm really impressed by the quality of their wigs. I definitely will be trying out more wigs for you guys in the future. Leave me a comment below if you like the hair, if you don't like the hair. It really doesn't matter, you guys. I love reading your comments. Make sure if you're interested in this wig, check the description bar. All the links, all the details will be in there.